Hi guys, welcome back to another Ollie's Books. Today we're going to be doing a Pokemon card opening, and they're with these. I've never seen them before, so we're going to be doing them. I have a feeling they're not just Sun and Moon, so yeah, hope you enjoy. Okay, so oh, that was easy as to it. So we got Devolution Spray, I think it is. Charizard, Spirit Link, Electroid, Voltorb. Oh, look at that. A break yours, I don't know, but it's break. Oh, break Starmie. Oh, I haven't got this card. What's it called? Volcano. I've watched a movie of him. Volcano EX. Steelix EX. And Poliwrath. Okay. So that was the first pack. Let's get into the second one. Just have to look that one. Okay. Rowlet. Drowsy. Look what we just pulled. That's insane. A Charizard EX. That is so cool. Okay, next card. I guess this pack loves Charizards. Now I've got a Mega Charizard, I think. I think this is X. Because I've got the other one. Mega Venusaur. Litten. Yo! GX Lunia! Whatever that says. GX Lunia. Blastoise EX. And Mega Gyarados. We're getting good packs. I like these cards. I thought there was going to be like no EXs. But the thing that I don't like about them is they're not, there's no code cards. Puplio, Seal, or Drowgling, I think. Staryu, Energy. Oh, that's good, I think. Vulpix. Oh, what is this? Dragonite EX. Full out, I think. No, I don't know if that one's full out. I've got a full out Dragonite though. Oh, Pidgeot EX. I've got this card before. Another Litten. Poplio again. Oh! Mega Blastoise. What? I never got Mega Blastoise. And last pack. This is gonna be good. I betcha. I'm gonna go very, very slow on this one. Oh no, that's not the start. I'm going to do something. I'm going to put the first, I think that's 4 or something, I don't know, to the back. Poplio, Drowgling, Staryu, it's the same order. Another what? Vulpix, Mega Venusaur. Oh, Steelix EX. Oh! Is this a golden card? This is a golden Steelix, Mega Steelix EX. That is so cool. And Magana. So I'm going to get all the EXs or Megas or Breaks or anything. And I'm going to get them into a pile, okay? So see you then. Okay, so I've got all the good cards. Here's Steelix EX. Starmie Break. Volcanion EX. Break Deer, I'm going to call it. Charizard EX. I don't know if you can see that EX, but it's like there. Mega Venusaur. Mega Charizard. No, I think that's Y. I don't know. One of them. Pidgeot EX. Blastoise. Mega Gyarados. I don't think that I said that right. In the opening. Lanyona GX. I don't know. Dragonite EX. I think something special has to do with this card. Blastoise. Mega Blastoise. Mega Venusaur. Steelix EX again. See, this card, it's golden. I don't know why, but it's just golden. I'm going to search it up afterwards. And I got a Magana, something EX. So thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.